Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar sir classes Kcet physics. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿನ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡರ್ ಲಾ ಅಂಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಡಿವೈಡರ್ ಲಾ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. It is saying the equivalent resistance and potential difference between A and B for the circuit is respectively ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. No, you know that 6 ohm in parallel ಇದ್ರೆ how much this will be? 3 ohm. Very good. We know that whenever two resistances of the same value are in parallel, ಇದು half ಆಗುತ್ತೆ value. 6 in parallel with 6 is 3 ohm. Again 3 ohm in parallel with 3 ohm ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? This is the circuit. This is 2 amperes of current is flowing here. This is A and this will be how much? 3 in parallel with 3 will be 1.5 ohm. And again they have given this is 2.5 ohm. This is A and this is B here. Okay, what is the total value of the resistance between A and B? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು A, this one is B. ಇದು 2 amperes of current is flowing. 1.5 plus 2.5 is 4 ohm. Okay, what is the equivalent resistance? 4 ohm. What is the total voltage? Voltage or resistance between A and B is how much? 4 ohm. And what is the voltage between A and B? Voltage between A and B is 2 into, that is I into R. 2 into 4 is 8 volts. So equivalent resistance is 4 ohm and the voltage between A and B is 8 volts. 4 ohm is the equivalent resistance. Okay, and 8 volts is the resistance. Equivalent resistance is 4 ohm and the voltage is 8 volts. First one is the right answer. The equivalent resistance is how much we are getting? 4 ohm and the potential difference between A and B is we are getting 8 volts. Next problem ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. Okay, find the potential difference across the 24 ohm. As soon as you see this circuit you should not get confused. Okay, 24 ohm ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Okay, where is the 24 ohm? 48, this one here. What you have to calculate? You have to calculate the potential difference between what? These 2 points, that is across 24 ohm. Okay, let me call this as A, B, that this is A and this is B. No, I have to find the current here. How to find the current here? How to find the current I? Okay, once if I know the value of current I can find out the potential difference across 24 ohm. Now before that 48 ohm in parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 24 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 24 ohm again ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 24 ohm in parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ how many? 12 ohm. 12 ohm in parallel with 6 ohm ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 12 into 6, that is 4 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 ohm in parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ohm in parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ this will be 1 ohm. Understood? Now here ಈ ತರ ಇದೆಪ್ಪ ಇದು. Okay, this is B, this is let me call this as okay, ohm. Okay, and this is 3 ohm already given. Okay, 2 amperes of current is flowing here, right? And I have called this point as A and this point as B. Okay, this is B, right? Now how much is the total equivalent total resistance? 48 in parallel with 48, 24 in parallel with 24, 12 in parallel with 6 is 4 ohm. 4 in parallel with 4 is 2 ohm. Okay, 2 ohm in parallel with 2 ohm is 1 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, 1 ohm. Understood? Now what is the voltage? Okay, 2 into 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 volts. Understood? Okay, 2 volts is the right answer. You need not to calculate the current here. Okay, if you want to calculate the current across the 24 ohm resistor, In that way also we can do. You have to find the value of current I, and then okay, and then you have to calculate the potential difference between A and B. That is not required. Directly you can do it. Okay, this whole thing is 1 ohm. Okay, voltage same irutte paile. Okay, they are not asking the current. Okay, they are asking you to find the potential difference across this 24 ohm resistor. Okay, now here current gets divided. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 you can write. Now here calculate the total equivalent resistance, that is 1 ohm, and find the potential difference between A and B. Okay, why I have taken A and B here? Because same potential will be there. 2 volts ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 2 volts ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 2 volts, 2 volts, 2 volts, and 2 volts here. Right. Okay, now let us come to the next problem. 4 resistances are connected in a circuit. Okay, no, 4 resistance. What is the equivalent resistance? ಇದು 2 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 6 in parallel with 6 ಅಂದರೆ 3 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 plus 3 is ಎಷ್ಟು? 5. Okay, this like this. 2 ohm, 3 ohm, right? And this is 20, right? Okay, how much is the current? Then current will be I is equal to V by R. 20 by 2 plus 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5, right? It will be 5. 5 ohm plus minus 20 volts. I is equal to V by R 4 amperes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Okay, 5 ohm ಇದಿಲ್ಲದೆ 20. I is equal to V by R 20 by 5 amperes. Now 4 amperes of current will be flowing like this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? See the resistances. Resistances are same. Therefore here 2 amperes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 amperes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 amperes of current. 4 amperes of current ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 plus 2, 4 amperes of current. Again 2 amperes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 amperes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Now the answer is 2 amperes and 2 amperes. Okay, this is the right answer. Hope you understood. Now next, in the figure given below, the current passing through 6 ohm resistor. Okay, you know very clear current divider law, right? Okay, if you have two resistors, R1, ಇದು R2, let us say current I is flowing. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು have to ಇಲ್ಲಿ I1 calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ I2 ಅಂದರೆ you know that what is I1? I1 is equal to main current, that is I, into resistance of the other branch ಅಂದರೆ R2 divided by R1 plus R2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I1 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ R2 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Similarly, what is I2? I2 is equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Now in the same way here, how to calculate the value of the current that is flowing in the 6 ohm resistor? Andre I1 is equal to, which is the main current? Main current is 1.2. Resistance of the other branch andre 4 divided by sum of the resistance 6 plus of 4, right? That is equal to 1.2 into 4 divided by 10 out. Okay, no, 2. Understood? 2.4 divided by 5, approximately 1 by 2. 1 by 2 andre 2 by 5. 2 by 5, approximately 2.5 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2.5 by 2 is, that is nearly equal to 0.5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Nearly equal to 0.5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which is the answer that is near to 0.5 is how much? That is 0.48 is the right answer, right? 0.48 amperes. That is the right answer. Now next problem ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ the reading of the ammeter as per figure shown. Where is the ammeter? Ammeter is current. 2 ohm in parallel with 2 ohm ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ohm in parallel with 2 ohm, 1 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 2 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ will be like this. Now this is 2 ohm ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is 2 volts ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. Okay, I can just short circuit the ammeter, okay, to find the current here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ammeter short circuit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, and now here how much is the resistance? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm. 1 ohm in parallel with 2 ohm ಅಂದರೆ 2 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. 2 by 3 ohm. Now what is the current here? What is the current flowing? what is I is equal to, say, because same current is flowing in this circuit, okay, whatever current is okay leaving, same current has to come from here, okay. I is equal to V by R. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ V ಅಂದರೆ 2 divided by 2 plus of 2 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? That is equal to 2 divided by 3 6 plus 2 ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ. I is equal to 2 into 3 divided by 8, 1 3 by 4 amperes of current will be flowing, okay. 3 by 4 amperes of current will be flowing in this ammeter, okay. 3 by 4 is the right answer. Next one, next problem. What it is saying, in the given figure, when key K is open, okay, this is key, okay, key is like this, okay, this is key, this is open, okay, this is open key, and now this is closed key, okay. Close andre current flow agutte, okay, current will be 0 here, otherwise current here, current is what, current illa ennate, current will be 0 here, illi current flow agutte because it is, now here he is saying key is open, e open ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ, okay, no current flow here. This is, now how much is the current then in the ammeter, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this is 5 ohm, okay. Ammeter you can watch short circuit, and what is the voltage they have given here, 10 volts, right? Plus minus 10 volts ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, okay. What is the I, current I is equal to V by R. 10 by 5 is how much, 2 amperes. 2 amperes of current will be flowing in this ammeter, right? That is the correct answer. Now next problem, if resistance R2 is connected in parallel, okay, R2 is connected in parallel with the resistance R, okay, and the circuit shown, then possible value of current through R. Now if these two are in parallel, we know that voltage is same, okay, whatever the voltage here, okay, same voltage will be in this branch also, okay. For example, ಇದು, okay, A ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇದು B ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇದು C ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, okay, for example, okay. Actually potential will be same here, okay, just to make you understand I am writing, otherwise, okay, I will not write A B C D, you will get confused. Whatever the, what is the voltage here, what is the voltage across this resistor, and what is the voltage across this resistor, tell me, okay. That is, ಇದು VA ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, okay, ಇದು VB ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ, okay. VA is same as what, VB. VA is same as what, VB, right? Understood? VA ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, I1 into R, I1 into R. How much is VB, okay, that is the potential across R2 andre I minus of I1 into R2. Now what they are asking you to calculate, then possible value of current through R, okay, current through R andre they are asking you I1 is equal to S2, okay, current through R, and the possible value of R2. Understood? Whatever the potential here, same potential, because they are connected in parallel, they are in parallel branches, okay. We know that in parallel voltage is same, in series current will be same, in parallel, okay, voltage is same, VA is equal to VB. Now how to calculate this one, see the options, okay. Now for example, if I take I1 as 1 I by 3 andre I by 3 R is equal to I minus of I by 3 into R2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, R2 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This is not satisfying, okay, this is not equal to I by 3, R is not equal to, so this is not, I minus of I ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I into R is 2R, no, that is also not satisfying, okay. I by 3 minus 7, this is also not satisfying. Now let us see the last option ಏನು ನೋಡೋಣ, now come here, okay. I1 ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, I by 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, I by 2 into R, that is equal to I minus of, okay, these are the values, these are the values of I1 ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ, I1 I by 2 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. R2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, R2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ R ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, okay. This is our equation. This is our equation. Here you have to substitute the value of I1 and R2 and check. Last value substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ. I/2 into R is equal to I minus of I by 2 I/2, okay, into R2 is equal to R. I/2 R is equal to I minus I/2 I/2 R. Now here LHS is equal to what? RHS. Okay, that is the right option. Now here the value of I1 is how much? The value of I1 is I/2 and the value of R2 is the value of I1 is equal to I/2 and the value of R2 is how much? R. That is the right option. Okay, hope you have understood. Okay pa, ಸಾಕು ಇವತ್ತು. Okay, these are the problems on current divider law and voltage divider law. If you like my video, kindly like it, ask doubts in the comment box, kindly share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Okay, keep on seeing the videos, for interesting problems like this. Thank you one and all.